thanks for watching. I'm Alex and this is AMRC. Tonight I'll be flying my UMX Timber X. It's a bit foggy and my flying field behind my house, it's not very visible now, but it's been turned into a construction site. So I have a lot more obstacles to be aware of and try not to hit. Let's see. Okay, flaps. It's already December. I was hoping they won't start building here until spring, but they already started digging for foundations and fence, I think. I do hope snow's gonna come soon, and hopefully they'll take a break until spring. This is so convenient for me, just behind my house. Especially for these UMX planes. I wasn't gonna fly tonight, but I saw this fog started lifting a bit now, but it was a lot more earlier. And yeah, I like it. Really enjoy flying in the fog. And I also got some new batteries today from CNHL. They had some good deals on Black Friday. And for this, I got some 350 milliamp 3S batteries. A free pack for something like $10, something like that. I figured it's a good deal. This Ryzen charges like $20 for the 300 3S. I got 3 for half the price. Also got a 2200 3S and a 2200 4S. And 4000 6S. I had really good deals on them. 2200s, I think about $10–12 each. 6S was a bit more, I think about 40 or 50, but all in all, really good deals. I usually fly, have my timer set for this for 6 minutes, but I've been using 450 milliamp batteries. I'll probably cut it to 5 with this. Haven't had a chance to fly much lately for the past 2 weeks. Been working 12 days straight. Plus my son had a cold and had to stay home with him. So couldn't really go out. I do have a few planes I have to finish and fly. There is my flight test duster that I'm almost done with, and I hope we'll get to maiden that soon. Also have a 3D printed plane since it's printed for about 6 months, but I still haven't finished putting it together. Hope I'll have that flying soon as well. And I'm already planning for another 3D printed plane. We'll see how those work. Some really good designs out there, and if you have some electronics laying around and a 3D printer, could be pretty cost effective. That's if they fly well. And I also got for Black Friday some RC cars. I'm gonna say what, but hopefully those will be here soon. I'll have a video or two on them. Something really cool and cheap. I hope they work well. It's been 5 minutes on the timer. Should get ready for landing. Battery's 11 volts. What the hell? Just like last time, it's acting funny again. Oh. Okay, I don't know what the heck that was, but just like last time, battery is at 11.2 volts. Let me go see where it is. Well, here it is. Landed safe and sound, but pretty far away from where I was flying. And I do see I have a lot of fades. Now, until I walked to it, I had 100 more, something like that. So, wondering if it's a receiver issue. Ah, okay. Got bent up a bit. The nose landed on grass, but it's not too bad. Probably some tape and we'll fix it. Canopy's fine. Yeah, so something strange. This happened the last time also. I flew it. Almost lost all control. Or at least the control surfaces. Still able to cut the power. No holds. Oh, that's strange. Batteries at 11.2, so that shouldn't be quite dead. Okay, that makes me a bit scared to fly this. And that's why I like to fly in open spaces at least. So if it falls, it doesn't fall on someone, something, or in someone's yard. Okay, I'll leave it at this for tonight, guys. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.